What's up, Bmore? What's up, Brooklyn? What's up, everybody? It's Honey, and I'm back with another video for you. Why is these things so ratchet? I don't know. Well, we're here, right? Okay. So today, guys, we're going to be doing sLa'Michael's Subway Footlong challenge. I came across this challenge today. I actually seen it first on Big Belly Bob's channel. Then I went right on over to sLa'Michael's channel and checked it out. And he, although it gave him some struggles, he completed his footlong in 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to do that. Big Belly Bob, I already know I'm not even gonna be able to even top your time. You did it in like 2 minutes and like 30-40 seconds. Yeah, dead. That's just not happening. Like, so today, guys, I have a tuna footlong. I doubt that I even be able to eat this whole footlong, but a challenge is a challenge. That's the fun part, right? So I have tuna on Italian herbs and cheese bread with some spinach and lettuce, banana peppers, red onions with some sweet onion sauce. Oh my gosh, that sweet onion is like everything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it. I'm not gonna talk, you know. So let's go. Let's do it. These things are hefty. Oh my God. All right, ready? All right, let's go. That sweet onion sauce is so good. And the bread is fresh. Had to put a little mayonnaise on the bread, nice and moist. And wet. I love Subway tuna. That sweet onion sauce is so good. I don't know about this 10 minutes then. Mm. Hey, I might do it. 3 minutes just passed. I'm almost done this half sandwich. Definitely wasn't doing beating Big Belly Bob's time. He's a savage. Right? He did that. I don't think nobody can beat that. Jeez Louise. Mm. Y'all might see my boyfriend pop up behind me. Oh man, I'm full of the half sandwich. Hold on. Cheese. I got this. I got this. I'm gangster from Brooklyn. Woo! I got this. Thing look good. You know, it's possible in the past. I may have finished a tuna footlong in less than 10 minutes and didn't even know it. Got like 4 minutes left. Jeez. We almost there. We're gonna get there. Get that banana pepper. Look at that. Oh, I want that. Hold on. I don't know about it. Almost done that. That thing wet. Oh my gosh, like 2 minutes left. Bite. Bad one. I did it. With like a little less than a minute left. That was a challenge. Oh my God. Sheesh. Shout out to sLa'Michael for that one. That was a challenge. Man, that was a challenge. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my God. So guys, that was sLa'Michael's Subway Footlong Challenge. Eat a Subway sub, Footlong sub, in 10 minutes or less. And I conquered it. I did that. I did that. So, I can't believe I just did that. I feel so accomplished. Thank you, timer. Thank you. Thank you very much. And shout out to sLa'Michael for this challenge. Shout out to Big Belly Bob for introducing me to this challenge. Because, oh my goodness. I seen him just tearing up that sub. I think he had like a Southwest Philly cheesesteak. He didn't have a cut or nothing. He was just going like, damn. But you know, I came, I saw, and I conquered. I'm going to go ahead and link Big Belly Bob's YouTube and sLa'Michael YouTube down in the description box below. And I'll also put them in the playlist at the end of the video. You guys, you already know. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with any and everybody. Letting them know what we doing up over here. Let me know down in the comments what's the next move, honey. It's been a pleasure, guys. That was definitely fun. I have a surprise for you guys in my next video. I'm enjoying these challenges and things like that. So look forward to the next video because it is going to be a banger. Banger? A banger. You already know. And that's on purr. Wait. Is that how you say it? I don't know. But it's been a pleasure. You guys don't forget to share this video and let everybody know what we're doing over here. And I'll see you next time. Later.